In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. Don't worry, you don't need to download any app to access all of your downloads in one place. All you need to do is find one that's already on your POCO, which is File Manager. So find it and click on it. Then select Browse at the bottom right corner. Scroll to click on Download folder and enjoy all of your downloaded files. If you wanna open one, click on it. And to manage one, use all of those options at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!